What's going on, everybody on YouTube? Steve here, Raiken Profit. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. In this video, I want to share with you guys a couple common shipping mistakes I see beginners making and even intermediates making when they're selling on eBay. So I was at a friend's house last night, good friend of mine. He sells on eBay and he was making some shipping mistakes, and it was kind of driving me up a wall. So I want to share some of these mistakes that maybe you're making, that he was making, to save you some time, save you some money. So first and foremost, make sure you're shipping from home. The mistake he was making was he was using an inkjet printer. Don't use inkjet printers. The ink is expensive. They're super slow. Get yourself a nice printer that uses toner, right? It's cheaper, it's faster. It doesn't take 20, 30 seconds to print out each label. It literally takes like a second. So you'll save money and it's quicker. Go check out some Brother laser printers. They're really, really good. They're not that expensive and you'll save time. You might be thinking, Steve, what's the big deal? You know, maybe I can get ink cheap. It's just slow. It's just, I don't like it. I've used both in the past. If you're shipping out 10, 15, 20 items, I could save you 10, 15 minutes right there, really not having to do anything different. So definitely get yourself a laser printer. Another mistake he was making was when he was shipping his items, he didn't have all of the proper boxes at his disposal. So if you go to a website, USPS, United States Postal Service, USPS.com, I believe. I'll link it up, first link below. You can buy a whole bunch of free shipping boxes. So you can get the regional A boxes, the regional B boxes, which ship based on weight and location. You can get flat rate boxes. You can get all different types of boxes and flat rate padded envelopes, all different types of supplies, literally free, which is really, really cool. If you don't have the proper boxes at your home when you're shipping, you're gonna lose money, right? You're gonna definitely lose money, especially if you're shipping from the East Coast to the West Coast to the East Coast, vice versa, based on size and weight and location. Not having those boxes is gonna cost you money. And again, you might be thinking to yourself, Steve, who cares if I pay an extra $1 or $2? Well, if you're running this like a business, those are the margins that can either make or break you. Because so many people, they say, well, I'm selling X amount of items. I made $3,000 this month. No, you didn't make $3,000. Why? Because you might have made $3,000, but now you have to minus off all your shipping expenses, right? You've got to minus off your cost of goods, office supplies, eBay fees, PayPal fees, and we're not done yet. You might be thinking, well, that's my profit. No, it's not, because you're going to have to pay taxes on that money, and additionally, you're going to have something that's called cash flow, because you might make $1,300 profit after all said and done, but now you have to reinvest back into inventory. So now maybe you only made $500, $600 profit. Now you're having a hard time paying yourself, and now you're forced to continue to work your job. So little tiny things like saving time printing using a laser printer, having the right shipping supplies and the right boxes to save $1 or $2, that's what's gonna make or break you. Another mistake that he made, and I'm not trying to put him down or anything, these are mistakes that I've made in the past as well, is it took him forever to find his inventory to ship out. He had no inventory system. So he literally spent like 25 minutes trying to find this one freaking toy. And I see him just like running around trying to find his inventory. And I'm thinking to myself, boy, oh boy, like, all you have to do is get some boxes or bins and just create a little system. And then when you list your item, just record the SKU number inside the eBay listing. So these are just common mistakes. Again, I'm not trying to roast him. I've made these mistakes. I'm sure you've made these mistakes. Maybe you're making these mistakes currently. But, you know, choose one. Maybe all these things you're doing wrong right now. It's no big deal. Choose one thing that you want to focus on and accomplish that. And then maybe a couple weeks later, focus on that and accomplish that. Start with the laser printer. Get some good shipping supplies. Order all your proper boxes off of USPS. Make sure you've got some nice plain boxes as well. eBay is a great resource for that. If you have an eBay store, you're gonna get, I think, $25 every quarter or $50 of free shipping supplies. So they have some great boxes. I love eBay's boxes. Shipping, you might not think it's very important, but it does matter. All the little tiny things matter. whether it's shipping, sourcing, finding the right items, listing efficiencies, and the list goes on and on. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a big favor and smash that like button. If you want to get on the live notification squad, plus get our free book, 100 Amazing Items to Resell, which is a great resource for anyone looking to get into this reselling game, selling on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist. Be sure to get it. First link down below, RaikenProfit.com/live. So you'll get notifications of live videos. You'll get a free book. Sometimes I run contests and prizes and give updates over there through Facebook Messenger. So be sure to jump on the notification squad. But with that being said, guys, keep killing it in 2018. You've got it. Go make it happen. And I look forward to hearing you guys in the comments. Peace.